राइट नाउ हमारे साथ है ऐश किंग, द बॉलीवुड सेंसेशन. सो वेलकम टू गोवा वंस अगेन. आपने गोवा में इससे पहले भी परफॉर्म किया है, आज परफॉर्म करने वाले, कैसे लग रहा है सर?
Slightly nervous. Actually, बहुत heat है आज, but the crowd is there. If the crowd is there, I'm there. I'm really excited to perform. It's been quite some time since I performed public concerts. हम लोग private shows भी करते, but public shows, it's been a long time, so I'm really excited for this one.
The crowd is waiting for you right now there.
And actually in Goa you have some amazing singers who sing. Many of those singers have come to the festival, so I'm kind of nervous as well because you have very good singers here. So there's to sing in front of singers and go and sing. They know a lot of Western songs. Western गाने भी चलते हैं. I think I'm not sure Bollywood, but let's see if they enjoy the show.
आज आप क्या गाने वाले हैं?
जितना गाने जो मैंने गाया इंडस्ट्री में मैं इतना ही गाऊंगा, बट मेरा हिंदी इतना अच्छा नहीं है. फिर भी कोशिश करता हूँ बोलने के लिए. बट डेफिनेटली TMO. TMO is famous because it was shot in Goa, so definitely I'll be singing TMO.
ओके, गोवा का सबसे अच्छा कनेक्शन आपका है आंटी जी सॉन्ग, जो बहुत ही फेमस है और गोवा का टच है. आंटी जी गड़ा बैंड डांस. सो उसके बारे में थोड़ा बताओ.
The Auntie Ji has a very Western vibe. But वो गाने में they put some Goan backing vocals. So anyway, it's gonna
right now Ash King is going on stage and best of luck.
Right now.
Best of luck.
Take care. Thank you so much. Take care. See you again. Bye.
Thank you.